נושם, תואם, אני שומע ורואה כאן במקום הזה את כל מה שהיה ואת כל מה שעוד יהיה רק במקום הזה אני שייך הלב
Believe, inspire, nurture, achieve. Those are the basic tenets of our mission at Shaarei Bina. Because we are a smaller school, we get to know our students intimately, and we recognize that they are all individuals. They're multifaceted jewels, and we appreciate their value.
We want the girls to have a deep belief in Hashem. We want to inspire them to forge a connection to Hashem through the learning. We want them to be excited about the learning. I want them to see that learning is not a separate thing from our lives.
One of the best things about Shaarei Bina is its entire staff. They're dedicated, they're passionate, they're into the whole child. They recognize that we need to nurture every single child first, make sure that they feel confident, that they feel good, and that they're open to learning in the way that they're able to learn best.
The teachers are extraordinarily dedicated. They come up with creative ways for review games for the kids, like basketball games outside. They spend their lunch break after school helping kids who need extra support, very creative incentives, and I've really never seen a faculty that goes above and beyond. Even the office staff, everybody cares about each girl as if it was their own daughter.
Because of the small, intimate classes, we had vast opportunities to interact on a personal level with the teachers, Dr. Brand. Any questions that we had in class, nobody was ever embarrassed to ask anything. Would go up to the teachers after class. The relationships extended beyond the classroom setting.
I'm trying to nurture in them the understanding of problem-solving skills, the growth of how can I face a real-world problem and break it down into a mathematical concept, a mathematical question.
I like the problem-solving, the challenges, and the teacher. I feel like I'm learning and gaining a lot from the different classes, and every day I come home knowing and learning something new.
I could really say with tremendous degrees of certainty that Shaarei Bina represents one of the best day schools in North America. It's outstanding faculty, its innovative curriculum, its cutting-edge thought processes in terms of what it wants to provide, its graduate profiles are all indicators, very strong indicators of educational excellence.
Under the guidance of Shaarei Bina, our daughters have gained leadership skills to voice their opinions in a respectful and confident way.
My goal is to be a doctor, and I believe that Shaarei Bina has given me the tools to be successful in my career for the future.
My teachers inspired me to go on to higher learning, to be an active member in the Jewish community as a woman, as a wife, and God willing as a mother, and to seek a profession as a nurse.
One of the most outstanding things about Shaarei Bina is the co-curricular and the extracurricular programming. We aim to nurture the whole child, spiritually, academically, and socially. Our extensive co-curricular and extracurricular programming help us achieve that goal. From davening divas to our intergenerational programming, to making Shabbos bags for 80 elderly residents every week, to our Krav Maga, to our American Sign Language, to our no-bake baking, we offer something for everyone.
Robotics is my favorite elective because we get to code and turn on LED lights, and I love my teacher.
Art class is one of the things I enjoy a lot because I get to sketch things professionally.
Last year I was in production. We did The Lion King. When I got a character with a real name and big lines and a really big part, I was super happy, and they include everyone and everything. It makes the school really special.
For me, Bikur Cholim has been very inspirational. I loved bonding with my class and making people feel like they're at home.
Entrepreneurship is my favorite elective because I think it gives me a little taste of business.
Every teacher has such a warm heart, and it makes it so easy to just come over to them and just make a connection. It's just such a friendly environment. Everyone comes and like I see all my friends and they come and give me a hug, and I'm just excited to go to school and see all my friends, and I'm excited to learn because the teachers make the learning really fun.
The welcome that you get right when you walk through the doors is probably one of the best parts of Shaarei Bina.
I made friendships that will last forever at Shaarei Bina.
That feels so good as a mother to know that outside our warm and caring home, we have a school that is warm and caring as well.
We love Shaarei Bina!